All right, let's talk about Nano Banana. Today, we are going to unlock the full potential of this amazing AI visuals tool. I'm going to show you how to talk to the AI so you get exactly what you're imagining every single time. Let's dive right in.
Okay, but before we get into the good stuff, just a quick heads up. This is an educational video, for informational purposes only. It's not financial or any other kind of professional advice. So as always, please do your own research. So, let's be real for a second. Are you tired of artificial intelligence just getting your ideas wrong? I mean, there's nothing more frustrating, right? You have this perfect vision in your head, you type it all out for the AI, and what you get back is, well, not it. We've all been there. It's like you and the AI are speaking two different languages.
Well, guess what? That frustration is about to be a thing of the past. Because in the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn the secrets to creating absolutely perfect AI visuals with Nano Banana. Seriously. And hey, before we really get into it, if you're getting value from this already, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below with your biggest AI question. It honestly helps a ton and lets us know we're on the right track.
Okay, Section 1, Mastering the AI Conversation. To get what we want out of the AI, we first have to figure out how to, actually ask for it.
And it all boils down to one simple thing, the prompt. Simply put, it's just how you talk to an AI to get what you want. Think of it like a conversation, except your words are the only instructions it has. So how you string those words together, well, that's everything. It's the difference between the AI getting your vision and just missing the mark completely. So that begs the question, right? How do you write the perfect prompt, especially when you're trying to create something brand new completely from scratch? Well, you're going to love this. There's actually a formula for it.
And here it is, the creation formula. Now I know, it might look like a lot at first glance, but this 6-part structure is literally the key. When you break your idea down into these 6 pieces, subject, action, environment, art style, lighting, and those final details, you're basically handing Nano Banana a crystal clear blueprint of what's in your head. No more guessing games.
Let's put this formula to the test. Check out this prompt. We've got our subject, a young woman with freckles. Then the action, smiling thoughtfully and sitting on a bench. We've even specified the environment, a cozy cafe by a window seat. And this part is so important, the art style, shot on a Canon 5D Mark V. That tells the AI exactly the kind of photorealistic vibe we're going for. Then we just sprinkle in the lighting and details. See how it all comes together?
And boom! Look at that. A stunningly accurate image. This just shows you how powerful that formula is. Nano Banana followed every single instruction to a T. You can see the freckles, the thoughtful smile, that specific camera look, the warm natural light. It's all there. This is how you stop guessing and start getting predictable, amazing results.
Okay, so creating from scratch is awesome. But what about when you just want to edit an image you already have? Well, that takes a whole different level of precision. Let's get into it.
The secret weapon for editing? These 5 magic action words. Seriously, burn these into your brain. Add, change, make, remove, and replace. When you use these, you're telling the Nano Banana AI exactly what to do. There's no room for it to get confused.
Okay, let's talk about a super common, super annoying problem. You try to do something simple, like change a person's shirt in a photo, and the AI decides to completely change their face too. It's the worst, right? It can totally ruin an otherwise perfect picture.
But here's the secret prompt that fixes it all. It's so much simpler than you think. You just have to be super specific and use one of those magic words. Replace the woman's white top with the black t-shirt. That's it. We use the word replace, we say what we're replacing and what we're replacing it with. It's that direct, no fluff.
And check out the result. The clothes are changed, but, and this is the important part, the face stays exactly the same. Success! No weirdness, no strange artifacts. That one simple, specific command solves the problem completely. This is a total game changer for anyone who edits photos of people.
All right, we've nailed the fundamentals. Now it's time to unlock some pro-level magic. This is where Nano Banana Pro comes into play. And trust me, things are about to get really, really cool.
Okay, let's kick things off with the text showdown. On the left, you've got standard Nano Banana, trying to handle the text on a menu. And yeah, it's kind of a jumbled mess, right? But on the right, Nano Banana Pro absolutely nails it. Every single word is crisp and perfectly readable. If you do any kind of design work, this upgrade in quality is just massive.
And it gets even crazier. You can literally take a photo of an object, say this camera, and just ask Nano Banana Pro to turn it into a professional blueprint, a detailed technical drawing. The results look like they were pulled straight out of an engineering textbook. It's wild.
Okay, all you gamers and creators out there, listen up, because this is for you. You can take a screenshot from a classic video game, feed it to Nano Banana Pro, and tell it to remaster it with modern Unreal Engine-style graphics. The transformation from old to new is just absolutely stunning.
And get this, it's not just about tweaking one image. With Pro, you can upload a bunch of separate images, like these individual character shots, and have the AI combine them into a single, epic movie poster. It understands composition and creates a totally cohesive scene. This is truly next-level stuff. The amount of stylistic control you get is just off the charts. It's like you're not just making a picture, you're a full-on director. You want a photorealistic phone vibe? Done. A gritty police body cam look? No problem. Cinematic lens flare? A GoPro fisheye effect? Even dash cam footage or a dramatic worm's eye view? Seriously, with Nano Banana Pro, the creative possibilities are pretty much endless.
Phew, we have covered a ton of ground. So before we wrap this up, let's do a super quick recap of everything that's now in your creative toolkit.
So here are your key takeaways. Remember, when you're creating a new image from scratch, use that 6-part formula. When you're editing, master those 5 magic action words for pinpoint precision. And if you really want to take your work to the next level, you've got to check out Nano Banana Pro for its insane power with text, styles, and so much more.
Which really just leaves us with one last big question. Now that you have these new skills, these new formulas, these pro-level techniques, what's the very first thing you're going to create?
I seriously want to know, so drop your ideas in the comments below. And hey, if you found this helpful, let us know. Hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and thanks for watching.